The adapter arrives in a compact retail box with minimalistic branding and essential specifications printed on the exterior. Inside, the contents are limited to the charger itself. No cable is included, which is a deliberate cost-saving measure, but also a signal that the product assumes users already own a suitable USB-C cable capable of handling fast-charging protocols. What immediately stands out upon first contact is the lightweight yet solid feel of the unit. The JOKADE JB064 features a clean, rectangular profile with gently rounded edges, constructed from flame-retardant polycarbonate. This is a standard but important material choice, contributing to both safety and durability under prolonged thermal stress. The casing exhibits a matte finish that resists fingerprints and minor scuffs, maintaining a tidy appearance even after weeks of use. Fit and finish are commendably tight. There are no visible seams or flex points, and the USB-C port is firmly anchored, offering a snug connection without excessive resistance. The JOKADE JB064 27W USB Type-C fast-charging power adapter is not designed to impress with headline-grabbing specifications, but rather to deliver a stable, reliable charging experience in a compact form factor. It excels in scenarios where consistency, portability, and simplicity are valued over raw power or multi-device capability. For users seeking a dependable everyday charger, whether for home, office, or travel, this represents a sensible and cost-effective choice. It may not replace a high-wattage GAN charger for power users, but within its intended scope, it performs with quiet competence and reassuring reliability.